In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect Fire Stick to Insignia TV. So let's get started. You want to start by turning on your Insignia TV and making sure you have the Fire Stick, its USB power cable, and let me show you that. It's USB power cable and the power adapter ready. Okay, so the Fire Stick, that's the Fire Stick, its adapter and the USB power cable ready. Now you want to plug the Fire Stick directly into an available HDMI port on the back side of the Insignia TV. If the Fire Stick is blocked by the TV's frame or doesn't fit properly, use the HDMI extender that comes in the Fire Stick box to make it stick properly. So this is the HDMI port extender that comes with the Fire Stick, and you want to go ahead and connect it onto an HDMI port available on the back side of your TV. Next, you want to connect the Fire Stick's USB power cable to the Fire Stick itself. So that's the USB power cable. You want to connect it to the Fire Stick itself on the back side right there. Now it is important to power the Fire Stick from a wall outlet rather than the TV's USB port, because this ensures stable performance and prevents random shutdowns. Once everything is plugged in, you want to turn on the TV and use the Insignia remote to switch the input source to the HDMI port where the Fire Stick is connected. You should now see the Fire TV logo appear on the screen. So you want to make sure you use the wall outlet and you are using that to connect to the Fire Stick using the USB cable that comes with it. Now after that, you want to insert batteries into the Fire Stick remote. By that I mean the Fire Stick remote that comes with it as well. You want to go ahead and stick batteries into it and wait for it to automatically pair with the Fire TV stick. If it doesn't pair on its own, you want to press and hold the home button right there. You want to go ahead and press the home button for about 10 seconds until it connects, and then follow the on-screen instructions to choose your language, connect to Wi-Fi, and obviously sign in with your Amazon account. This setup is required to download apps and use streaming services, and once the setup is complete, your Fire Stick is ready to use on your Insignia TV. You can now stream apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Disney Plus directly through the Fire Stick interface. If you ever don't see the Fire Stick screen, simply make sure the TV input is set to the correct HDMI port. And that's all it takes to connect and set up a Fire TV stick on an Insignia TV. From here, you can customize your apps, adjust display settings, and start streaming right away. So anyways guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.